In this video, we're gonna talk about how to reset and change your SBI Yono Mpin. Step 1. Open SBI Yono application on the login screen. Select the user ID option and enter your net banking username and login password, and then login. Step 2. After login, now open menu options and open the service request section. 3. Open the settings option as is seen in the screenshot. You can see the Set Mpin option here. Click on this option. Initially, set a new Mpin for your Yono application. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and your Mpin will be reset. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Just follow the instructions I provided earlier and you will reset your Mpin on Yono SBI. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.